Before you start using DexScreener to view buy and sell points, there are a few things you need to understand first. You can only see the transaction points of a specific token within a specific address, and only partial address activity can be viewed, meaning full address lookups aren't supported. DexScreener also shows only DEX trading points, so regular transfers in and out won't appear. In short, DexScreener is great for getting a rough idea of memecoin trading activity, but if you want detailed tracking of large addresses or major tokens, you'll need more advanced tools to follow the full transaction history. Now let's go through the basic steps. Start by selecting the token you want to analyze. Let's use Pepe as an example. After choosing the token, find an address you're interested in. If you want to locate the address that made the highest profit trading Pepe, you can go to the Top Traders section. Click the filter under the Transactions column to display buy and sell points. You can zoom in or out on the chart above to adjust the time range, and when you hover over any point, DexScreener will show you the transaction details like the amount and the exact time. If you want to check top holders or liquidity providers, just switch tabs on the page. Even though DexScreener doesn't let you search for any random address directly, you can still narrow down your target by using filters. For example, if you see in the community that someone spent $80,000 buying Pepe on May 1st, you can set your filter in the transactions section to show buys with a value over $50,000 on that date. From there, you can identify the matching address. If you need more advanced tracking, including full address lookups and transfer in or transfer out points, you can try using MEST. You can visit app.mest.io and search any address you want. After selecting the address, go to the portfolio section to view the tokens it still holds. If the token has already been sold, you can find it in the profit and loss section. From there, you can see complete buy and sell points, similar to how people track trades like the SHIB transactions made by the founder of MakerDAO. If this breakdown helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy crypto walkthroughs, and drop a comment letting me know what tool or feature you want covered next.